Introduce features highlight or overview summary about Kante 18-inch L concrete rectangle tabletop fire pit bowl. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include. The tabletop fire pit, as a gift to create a unique space and express your love, is made of wonderful natural concrete and adopts smokeless and odorless clean alcohol as fuel. The soft and rhythmic flames are full of vitality, light up the space of reunion, and warm up each other's feelings. Even when you are by yourself, the fire pit can use its warmth to soothe your day's weariness, let you escape from the busy schedule, and quietly enjoy your exclusive peace and space. Your safety is Kante's utmost concern. Our tabletop fire pit is made of heat-resistant concrete that prevents fuel from leaking. Kante is equipped with a safe metal extinguisher tool that can be used to put out fires securely and easily. For the purpose of protecting your furniture and safe moving of the stove, we have equipped a concrete base accessory. You can move the fire pit safely even when it is at a high temperature after burning, without any influence on your using other furniture. Light in weight and convenient to move. You can take it wherever you go. It can be used for either indoor decoration or outdoor activities. It's small in size, doesn't need complicated installation and only takes up a small space. You just need to place it on your dining table, side table, or the balcony of your apartment. It will create a soothing atmosphere with a warm fire. High concentration bioethanol is recommended to be used as fuel. With clean fuel, it will produce more flames without leading to a messy environment and thus it is easy for cleaning up. Its flame can last more than 45 minutes, the time is affected by the environment, under the condition that the maximum fuel capacity is not exceeded. Made of heat-resistant and anti-cracking materials is to guarantee that there won't be any leakage of fuel from the concrete during combustion. The online package of tabletop fire pit uses eco-friendly materials. Kante's tabletop fire pits are committed to reduce the usage of plastic or other unrecyclable materials in e-commerce packages. Protecting the environment is our best gift to the next generation. Never pour into fuel or make a refuel on an open flame or when the fire pit is still hot. Keep a safe distance from children and pets during use. The product itself has a higher temperature in case of sustained combustion, so don't move it or place artificial succulents until it cools down naturally. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.